We have heard earlier in our passage that the Lord was the creator. He made us. He is the initiator of marriage.
Today, I stand before God, family, and friends, and vow these things to you. No matter difficulty we face, I promise to stand by your side and never leave you, with the help of God. Firstly, I thank God for His goodness. I have witnessed and experienced many beautiful blessings, numerous moments that made lasting wonderful memories, and many unexplainable gifts I couldn't begin to recall. And now, another prayer is fulfilled.
And now we're here, all by God's grace. I'm grateful I'm marrying a selfless gentleman, a supportive brother and a loving son.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong hindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuan.
Since you are now a husband, no, Davy, Princess now is your priority. Next to God, as a family man, your new family is to be one of the most important.
Ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang
Princess, I may not be a king, so I cannot provide you all the things in this life just as a king would. But this thing I promise. With the help of loving kindness of God, I will love you to the best of my ability and always love you as God wants me to love you as your husband in service to Him.
palagi.
I promise to forgive you and be patient in your shortcomings as we both strive to become Christ-like. I promise to always believe in you and your dreams. Above all, I vow to respect you, to love you with all my heart, and to cherish our time together until death do us part.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin kang sa huling sigaw.
My prayer is that we may love God more than each other so that we can love each other more than anyone else. With God's help and loving kindness, lagi kitang aalagaan, lagi kitang sasamahan, lagi kitang mamahalin. I love you.
O sige, Davy, you may now kiss your bride.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo.